was at my goal weight for a few weeks, but I keep losing about a pound a week. Should I be concerned? I do 1 or 2 meals a day and get my calories and nutrients in according to Chronometer.
I'm going to let you, do you want to take a spin at that first? I'm thinking about it.
Oh, okay. So if you don't want to continue to lose weight, the very simple thing to do is to increase your calories. So our body doesn't necessarily, so at the beginning of this video, and if you missed that, you'll have to go back and watch it. We really went into, does counting calories even work? And some reasons behind why counting calories often doesn't work and how our body uses the proteins and the fats that we're ingesting to repair our cellular walls, our membranes, our myelin sheaths, regulating our hormones. So every single day is different. And that's also true for females with the menstrual cycle throughout the month. Every single hormonal day is different. So you could notice over time that varies according to the time of the month. And this is true for all women, pre or post menopause. We still have hormones happening in our body. So don't think that if you're through menopause, you're done with it. So there's so many things happening, and it could just be that your body's doing a lot of repair. And so that's taking more energy. You're not actually using the fat and protein as calories to support your energetic or metabolic system. Your body's using it to repair.
Yeah.
So you may just need to increase the number of calories you're eating. Now, how much? It's hard to say how much. Maybe try 500 calories a day. See what happens.
I actually think this is a really exciting time for you in your journey. Because now that you're at your goal weight, there's a couple things you could do. You could say, hey, I've reached my goal weight. I'm going to splurge on myself and I'm going to go get some blood tests. And I'm going to see what's the next thing that I could possibly work on.
To improve my health.
Right. To just take it a step further. You've got the weight thing down. Now, maybe you go get a CAC. It costs about $100.
Say what a CAC is.
It's a cardiac or a arterial calcium score, basically. It is a direct measure of how much calcium built up in your arteries there is. It is probably the best way we have right now to, that's cheap, to measure your risk for a cardiac event. Cholesterol readings, stuff like that, have their place, but a CAC is a great way to directly measure how much buildup you have in your arteries. So it's a perfect time to start that because you're at your goal weight. Mm-hmm. You could also start tweaking your calorie intake. If you're a fitness buff, you could say, okay, what do I want to do fitness-wise? Do I want to get really strong? Do I want to get really fast? Do I want to be able to, wrestle my kid to the ground or something like that. I want to, all of these things that you have an opportunity to explore now that you're at your goal weight. And you can use fat as a lever, right? So you can increase your fat intake a little bit to bring your calories up. Also, if you're eating your fat rather than letting your body metabolize its own fat stores, then you can slow down the weight loss. But also you can increase a little bit of protein and things like that. And you're kind of where I'm at right now, where I'm at my goal weight. So I'm just like, okay, I want to work on my strength and I want to work on my fitness. And I am going to get a CAC sometime first quarter of this year. So I think it's a really exciting time for you.
Yes.